get this wig to buy on Amazon, and as you can see, it comes into a nice little bag, and it's a 14-inch wig. So I'm gonna open the bag and show you exactly what I have in it. You can keep this bag, guys, to keep your wig in so you don't get your wig damaged. Okay, so in the bag, guys, it comes with a wig cap. It also comes with the headband. It also comes with my favorite headband. Ooh, and these are nice loose curls. And this is a loose deep wave, guys. It comes pre-plucked, so all I need to do is just install it. So guys, as you can see, this is the full frontal. It also have combs inside because my hair is thick, so these comb inside will help to keep my hair in place. And it have a breathable cap on the inside. So I haven't really done nothing to it. I just pull it out of the pack just like this. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to use this spray to band it in because this is a glueless wig. It also have the band at the back where you can use to attach to your hair to keep your hair in place, along with the comb as what I showed you before. And this one comes with two combs for this one. So this is what the wig look like, girl. So this wig, it doesn't come with the lace straight across, it's just in the middle and at the back. So now I'm just gonna start to tongue it down by using my Wonder Spray. And as you can see, guys, the edges are clean. It just look like my own hair. It's so clean. So I'm just gonna use the spray and go around it and get my hair all fixed. Guys, this is how it looks. It's so natural. The lace melts right into my skin. So now I'm gonna tie it one more time. I'm gonna tie it and then I'll go ahead and style my hair. So let me clip the back and then I'm gonna do my baby hair. Yeah, I'm gonna do my baby hair and then I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. do, I'm gonna just add some mousse to the ends. You can wear it fluffy, or you can also wear it along with the mousse. It have a nice wet look. If you want to wear it fluffy, it's fine, whichever way you want to wear it. But this is the end of my hair. Guys, you can also wear to the center part as well. I do a side part, but you can also wear to the center part. And guys, I didn't show you this at first. Fiera wigs also come with lashes. Okay, they also come with lashes, but I'm not going to put the lashes on tonight. I'm going to put it on another day when I am going out. Oh yes, so the word pronounced is Fiera. Not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, guys. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, you can correct me. Fiera. Okay, so this is the bag. Fiera. Okay, so this is, I'm gonna store my wig in this same bag, and it's like a silk satin material. Very good bag. Yeah, so I'm gonna store my wig in it.